and today I will discuss about the local notifications and how we are using the local notification in iOS, right? And you always worried and for the notifications, how we can get the notifications from web servers as well as the FCM and APNs, right? So this is not an easy for handle, and I will learn you all, and this is very easy to be handled as a local notifications. And without FCM, how can I handle and what the FCM is sending and what the APNS is sending, what the other server is sending the notifications, right? Like Azure and all that, right? So you can see here, and I have uh, I have added the few things, right? And this is just you can check the notification how I get, right? And click for local notifications, and let's back to the notifications. Okay, I got the notification. EasytoSwift.com and coding by Nair, right? So how can I have done this, right? And let's get a start with us, right? I have used the U and user notifications, right? This provide the few methods like presentation of your notification and did receive notification as well as register for the notification. I will not apply the method of registration because I will not use for the registration with the tokens. I just need to be add only the notification from my side as well, right? So guys, let's keep it up with that. And now, first of all, you should import the user notification. This is a framework which will provide the some methods, all right? And this I have also create the variable of a notification center using with the UN user notification center. What is this? Because it's provide the some methods for presenting the notifications, and UN user notification center is that is if that is register and which the application is in foreground, in foreground the notification will come into your screen user with the user notification will present, and otherwise the did receive response will comes into your screens into your screen for the notifications, right? I have only applied the two method for using your notifications, right? And this will present when your applications in foreground, and this will handle for receiving in notification in the background as well as foreground, right? Okay, let's begin with the I have a notification center variable, and I just apply for the delegate. When I apply the delegate, this method will be continue for the calling, right? And now this is the option. I have a variable, constant variable, that the and user notification options. Actually, I need to be add the alert sound and bass as well. That will show, that will alert you that something is happening, something is response on your applications, and so that's why I use to be alert and sound as well. Bass is how many notification has received, right? And this will provide the count of your notifications, right? And notification center that request authorizations, I have authorized, and that's why it's authorized here, and this will apply, right? And now this is very simple, and now I need to be fire the notification from my vController. I just check user notification dot current request authorized or not, right? Now this is the data, and that will show you this is authorized or not. If authorized, it will print the yes, otherwise no. Now I need to be click a button, right, like this one. This button will click, and what would be perform? The perform is the notification will back on your app delegate, right, on your screens, right? Now I have created the constant variable, that is the UN mutable notification center. Actually the step 2, what is this? The object contain the data of the notification. Actually I have created this object for containing the data what you want to fire, right, what you want to trigger, right? So it's contain the title, body, badge, subtitle and all that, right? Now this image also let's combine with the notification, and I have added the bundle, main, URL, response, and this image related to the will search where is this image. So that's why I have applied the resource, right, for the sources, right? And now attach with this image you want to attach. You can not also attach, don't, if you don't want to attach you can forget this, don't worry about that. And now the trigger, and I just need to be trigger the notifications, that is the UN timer interval notification trigger. Actually I need to be notified with after 5 seconds. That's why I have added the 5 seconds, right? Repeat will be false. And their notification, every notification has a unique identification, and this notification will purpose with this with some purpose, right? And it's only the identifier I just want to trigger, right, with this identifier. Now the content is what I have, it's the content, right? And trigger will be this ones, right? After 5 seconds the trigger will be fire. Now this step is 5, the notification is scheduled for the delivery, right? That the notification has scheduled for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds has complete, the UN user notification dot current add request with completion handler, all right, and this will trigger for with the 5 seconds, right? So guys, you just learn the things. So what is happening with the local notification, I just click it and you can see, just take a build again, and you can see here, all right, I want to click, actually I have already clicked, that's why. Okay, you can see the, you can see here, and I need to be add this. Okay, content will call, right, and title will added, bodies will be added, badge will added, and subtitle is added, and image also added, right? Bundle is searching, right? And now resource is has attached, and now trigger has interval of with the time. Now request for the trigger, right? Now you and user notification add request with completions, right? And now it's complete. After 5 seconds I got the notification here, right? So thank you guys, I hope you all understand. For the local notification I didn't use from the Firebase and any other servers like Azure and all, right? How the server will how the server the trigger the notification, these are the containing, right, which has triggered by the servers as well. But this is, you need to be knowledge what's the type and what the trigger, what the badge, and how the add with the title and all that. So I hope you all guys has understands. And if you did not subscribe my channels, so guys subscribe my channel and like. If you have any comment, you can comment on my video and I will definitely reply you all. Thank you, bye and take care.